Hi everybody, welcome back. Happy Friday evening to you as we take a look at one more time at this record low achieved this morning of 68 degrees. It's been 7 weeks back in early June since we were cooler than this, and it'll be 7 weeks before we get back down to this level. And incidentally, the old record was 70, set just a year ago, but it was nice to have. High pressure out to the west of us and the clockwise flow around the upper level high delivering the dry air. But notice it's not as dry just to our north. So the atmosphere is going to start to moisten up, and that'll lead to a few isolated showers here tomorrow. They'll get blown away on Sunday, but we will see a little bit of rain over the weekend, but not much, and even less than what we had when that front went through on Tuesday. So here's the dry air in place that delivered 2 record lows in a row. But with the increasing humidity, it's not going to feel near as nice, especially at night and even during the daytime hours with the heat index on the rise, because the humidity is going to be on the rise into the low 70s on the dew point temperatures tomorrow, mid 70s on Sunday, and then it goes and stays into the mid to upper 70s Monday and Tuesday on the heels of increasing winds. It'll still be pretty light tomorrow, 10 to 15, but windy on Sunday, 12 to 22. So if you have outdoor plans on or near the water, it's probably better to do them tomorrow than Sunday. Gets pretty frisky in the wind department on Monday, 15 to 25 and gusty, and then back down to breezy on Tuesday. The winds do relax through the middle of next week. Right now it's 78 degrees, and our short-term forecast drops our temperatures into the mid-70s, where they'll be in that range through the overnight hours, briefly dropping into the low 70s tonight, but no record lows. But notice how light the winds are starting out, and even less than 10 miles an hour at 10 in the morning. Our low temperature will be 73, ranging down to 71 up around Beeville and Refugio, to 80 on Mustang Island. The short-term forecast leads to the day planner for tomorrow, 75 tranquil at 7 in the morning, 90 at noon, hot and steamy with a 10-mile-an-hour wind. That translates into sweltering heat, sunshine, and 91 at 5 p.m. tomorrow. In between, we'll hit our afternoon high of 94 here in Corpus Christi and Sinton, 93 in Robstown, and 98 out here in George West, 88 over in Port Aransas and on area beaches. Satellite and radar shows clear skies now, and even out here in the Gulf. But I think later on during the morning hours, we'll see a couple little showers come in. This low that's along the front that went through last week, or last Tuesday, I should say, is working off to the north and east and away from the region. You can see all that moisture pulling away from us. So that's moving away, so we don't have to worry about that. But the return flow off the Gulf, which is now out of the northeast, this will turn east and southeast in the morning. That'll bring a little bit of moisture in to the region, but not much. So that's what we're looking at in our weather pattern. As upper level high pressure pulls away, that opens the gap right here for Saturday and Sunday. Then we get low pressure up here to the north, which picks up the winds. Once that goes by, our weather will improve here wind-wise next week. So here's the clouds and rain forecast. Again, just some isolated to stray showers in the morning. They get pushed inland with a sea breeze in the afternoon. And then the winds pick up here on Sunday. So if we see any rain at all, it'll be on the coast, and in the morning. In the afternoon, it all gets blown away. Rainfall amounts will vary widely from a few hundredths of an inch to maybe a quarter of an inch in a couple spots, but most of us won't get any rain at all. NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. Why not any rain at all? Because it's only going to be isolated tomorrow and Sunday, in particular early Sunday, because the winds take over after that. 94 tomorrow, 95 on Sunday, 95 on Monday, and then the sweltering heat really takes up residence in the region. With the high humidity and high temperatures, the heat index will be back at triple-digit levels. Lee, all this week, since that front came in on Tuesday, we've had heat index values that have only been around 90 degrees, so that is spectacular.
It really is.
For July in South Texas.
I've been liking it.
But that all goes away starting on Sunday.
All right. Thank you very much, Dale.